What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that for now we have to have more news from C-level executives from this company. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that I have two main assumptions where we are now. First of all, we have this type of retracement, ABC correction from this top, and probably we might have another leg to the downside to form the bottom of our C wave. And the second option was that we have only this correction, this ABC correction, and from this point we might hit higher targets. And I marked several crucial levels. We had the top of the B wave at the price point of roughly $7.65 as the first resistance, and this previous swing high at $8.05 as the second resistance. And next two supports were right here, this range of 6.95 and 6.62. And we broke this range of support. As you can see, we were hovering for one consecutive session right on this range of support, but then we had this movement to the upside, hit again this level, this confluence level with this price action, and we went lower with the breakdown below this range of support. So technically we have consistently lower highs and lower lows from this top, and we have next range of support that is right here. And in my technical analysis in just several minutes I will show you what should we expect next, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And I have to say that we don't have much news directly related to SOFI right now, but the only news that might be very scary for a lot of investors is their annual meeting of stockholders. And they announced plans to host its 2022 annual meeting on Tuesday, July the 12th. So we have a bit more than 1 month until it happens, and the main part of this meeting will be like right here. They have a proposal 5, and the proposal 5 is to approve an amendment to the company's certificate of incorporation to give the board of directors directionally authority to effect a reverse stock split. And the reverse stock split might be very scary for a lot of investors, and let me show you this. If I try to find this proposal in details, let me show you right here. The first sentence of this proposal says, "We are seeking shareholder approval to grant the board of directors directionally authority at any time prior to the 1-year anniversary of the 2022 annual meeting to amend the company's certificate of incorporation to effect a reverse stock split to reduce the number of shares of our outstanding common stock and outstanding redeemable preferred stock." So this means the reverse stock split is not set in stone. It is only the right to board of directors to make this happen. And I have to say that by itself reverse stock split is not the bad thing, but we have two options. And let me show you what did SOFI company wrote in their learn section about the reverse stock split. So reverse stock split could create an opportunities and could create losses. And path A creates new opportunities for the company to grow and straighten financially, but this is usually dependent on taking other measures. For example, if a company is also taking steps to reduce its debt load or improve earnings, then a reverse stock split could yield long-term benefits with regard to pricing. And on the other hand, path B could result in losses to investors if the new price doesn't stick. If stock prices fall after a reverse stock split, that means an investor's new combined shares become less valuable. A path B scenario might be likely if the company isn't making other efforts to improve its financial situation, or if the efforts are making fail. And I have to say that for now SOFI has a very strong fundamental position, because they have a very strong balance sheet, they have very good opportunities for upcoming quarters, because they just received their bond charter. They had several new acquisitions, and they drastically increases its presence in Latin America. This means fundamentally this company might bring a lot of value to its shareholders. On top of that, let me show you that Anthony Noto is still buying shares of SOFI. And on June the 6th, just yesterday, he bought another stake of $150,000 in value, and the total value of these shares that he bought at the end of May and at the beginning of June, so in a matter of just 4 weeks, is $1.1 million. And definitely this confidence of Anthony Noto that SOFI will go up, and definitely when C-level executives buys shares of his own company, is a very strong bullish sign. And this means I don't think that first of all reverse stock split will happen, and second one, reverse stock split will cause some damages to SOFI price. On top of that, let me show you that we have a lot of price targets from analysts, and all of these price targets are highly above the current price of SOFI, and it implies from 20% all the way up to 100% in a medium-term perspective. That's why I think SOFI is a very strong fundamental company, and it has a very bright future and huge upside potential. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that this retracement usually gives a lot of fear to the shareholders, but from the technical standpoint it is nothing bad at all, because when the asset goes up, it has to have a retracement in order to collect more steam and to hit higher targets. If it goes up and up and up without major retracements, this means this asset will fall with the same velocity, and this means we have to be very cautious with these type of assets. But if we have consistent move to the upside that has a clear 5-wave structure, and then we have the retracement that has usually shape of simple zigzag, then we can accumulate the position with this asset to hit higher targets, and this formation of higher lows brings a lot of investors in this asset, because it is a very strong bullish sign that when the company forms higher lows, that it will form higher highs, and this higher high will imply very good upside potential. So let me show you that from this bottom, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool to this top, we hit only 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, and basically right here we broke it, and we have another level of support that might be at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of $6.42, and on top of that we have very strong confluence range of roughly $6 with this previous price action, and $6 is a very good psychological number by itself, and it is the confluence with the golden pocket pattern, the range in between 0.65 and 0.618, and statistically it is the most probable range of trend reversal. So guys, if this asset in upcoming week breaks this bottom of the A wave, definitely we will confirm the ABC correction at this shape, and we might hit lower price targets, probably from 6.42 all the way down to $6 mark. And if you want to invest in this asset, these levels might be your accumulation points, and from these points we still have the same, absolutely the same price target. Let me show that probably from this range we might have up to 65% of potential profits to this previous swing high, to the price point of $10.64. And definitely this upside potential might be achievable in a matter of just a couple of months, and that's why this asset is very attractive from the technical standpoint. So, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life.